Hey scholars, alright, so today's application problem involves Melanie. And what is Melanie going to be doing in today's application problem? Well, she is going to be pouring 1/2 of a liter of water into 4 bottles. And she is going to be putting equal amounts in each. And the question that we want to answer is how many liters, that did not work, how many liters of water will be in each bottle? So the first thing that's awesome is that I see at the beginning it says if Melanie pours 1/2 a liter in each bottle, and then later on it asks me how many liters of water will be in each bottle. So what that tells me is I am not going to have to convert my measurements. It starts with liters and it ends with liters. So I'm good there. I don't have to do anything about changing it. So in the beginning it's going to be liters, at the end it's going to be liters. So now the question is, well, how many liters of water will be in each bottle? Well, how many bottles do I have? I have 4. So I'll make my bottles here. Let's try to do it hydro flask style. All right, there's 1 and 2, 3, and 4 bottles, right? And how many did I start with? How much did Melanie start with? Well, she started with 1/2 of a liter. So let's say this is 1 liter. Let's do this. Let's say that here is my 1/2 of a liter. Sorry, y'all, I'm still getting the hang of this. Let's say this is my 1/2 a liter, right? Here it says 1/2 a liter. So if this would be a whole liter, if this would be 1 liter, let's just say that's 1 liter. So then this, actually, this part I do know how to do. So then this is my 1/2 a liter, right? This side here is 1/2 of a liter, right? And so the idea is I need to split them equally into the 4 bottles I have below. So in order to do that, I need to take, remember, I didn't start with a whole liter. I only started with 1/2. So I need to take this 1/2 and split it into 4 so that this gets this amount, this gets this amount, this gets this amount, and this gets this amount. Well, how many liters is that in each bottle? Because that's the question. Well, remember that when I am doing something like this, I still need to, if I split this in 4, if I split this in half in 4, I need to split this half in 4 too. And the question is how many liters are in each bottle? So how much of this whole 1 liter that I have will go into this bottle? Well, let's count how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And since 1 piece out of 8 went into this bottle, this got an eighth, this got an eighth, this got an eighth, and this got an eighth. So how many liters did each bottle get? Each bottle got 1/8 of a liter. Another way to think about that is by saying that I started with 1/2 of a liter, and then I had to divide it into my 4 bottles. And remember what we talked about the other day is if I have a 1/2 divided by 4, then I can kind of multiply. I can think about it like multiplying this and this because I'm breaking this amount into 4, right? Or I'm making 4 groups out of this 1/2. And it's going to end up being that each one is 1/8. All right, so that's another way to think about it. So that is our application problem for the day. and I hope that that was helpful. If any of it confused you, as always, let me know, let a friend know. Please, I am available. Google Classroom, our website, via Zoom, via Class Dojo, via my email, whatever way is easiest for you to contact me, please do so. I am here for you, but unfortunately, since we're not in the classroom, I can only be here for you when you are reaching out to me in the first place. I love you all. I miss you. I will see you soon, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day.